Once again, good evening ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Birthday Garden Centre. We do ask that mums and dads, if you could get to the back of the room please. Children sat down at the front by themselves, mums and dads to the back. If all the seats are gone, unfortunately you are standing at the back of the room. But as you can see, we've still got a lot more people coming in, so please do keep that passageway clear. Once again, mums and dads, unfortunately you are to the back of the room. At the end of the day, we need the kids to see the show more than what you do. So mums and dads, no sitting down at the front. You do need to go to the back of the room. Thank you very much. Squish, squish, squash. Just so we've got a bit more room at the back. That's it, that's good. We're nearly there. Good evening ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to Birkacre Garden Centre. Hello! You can do better than that. Hello! That's more like it. Hello mums and dads, give us a wave. Woo! You're all nice and snuggled in. Thank you for joining us here this evening on our very special performance. Tonight, as you all know, you are here to see a fantastic show. But before we do, a couple of things to check. Boys and girls, do you all know where your mums and dads are? Could you point to your mum and dad, please? Just point to them. Mums and dads, can you point to your kids just so we know where they are as well? Point to them, say hello, hello, mum, hello, 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 woo, woo. Good. Sit back down now, sit down, that's it, you know where they are now, all right? Okay, right, as I said, we are here for a very special reason, but before I do tell you about that, coming up this Saturday is another huge event. I'm talking huge, because here, this Saturday, Santa Claus is arriving. Hold it. I'm not sure if you heard me properly then. I said, Santa Claus is arriving here. Yes! Yes, so he's going to come, there's going to be a big parade, he's going to get pulled by Rudolph on his sleigh to the grotto, so please do join us. You're going to start queuing from around about 11, half 11, and Santa should arrive around about noon, so 12 o'clock. So please do bring your mum and dads. It's a great event. You can see the reindeers, they're here all weekend, and it is a brilliant event. It was huge last year, so please do join us this year for Santa's huge arrival. Also, we have got the grotto open every Saturday, Sunday. You should all have your leaflets on your chairs. If not, we've got some more details at the counter. So every Wednesday, Thursday, late night shopping from around about 3:30, I think it is, until about 7:30. I think that sounds about right. And then Saturday, Sundays as well until the final week. So things to look out for there as well. Right, okay, tonight's performance. Are you ready for it? Yeah! Are you ready to see Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs? Hold it. Some of you are saying no. Snow White and Seven Dwarfs tonight, isn't it? No! What is it? What? Frozen? We've got the wrong show. It's not Snow White, it's Frozen. Cancel the dwarfs, we don't need them, send them home. Frozen then? Well, do you know any of the characters of Frozen? You're not at school now, put your hands down, okay? You can shout and scream at me. Any characters from Frozen? Tell me, who are they? Elsa, Anna, yes, any more? Anybody else? Olaf! Would you like to see Olaf right here in the snow? I was going to say in the flesh, but he hasn't gone into snowman. Would you like to see Olaf? Okay, I'm going to bring him out. You give him a big cheer, nice big warm welcome. Boys and girls, mums and dads, it's Olaf! Big cheer! Hey! Right. Do you want to lift a snowman? Me back! Oh, get up, Olaf, get up! Oh, he's Olaf! Okay, well, okay, let's crack on. Olaf, do your thing. 1, 2, 3, go! What are you doing? No, the song in the summer. Do the song. 1, 2, 3, go! Do the song, you know the one. In the summer. Go. Oh, where's he gone? You could have said. Where? He's behind me. It's not Panto. It's not Panto. Right here. He's gone through there. We'll leave him in there. Do you want to get on with the show? Do you want to meet the princesses? Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, it is now show time. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome the Princess of Arendelle. It's Princess Anna! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, please welcome the Princess of Arendelle. It's Princess Anna!
You're here already. Okay. Elsa. Elsa, they're here already. Elsa? Hi, everybody. My name's Princess Anna of Arendelle. How are we all? Are we okay? Oh, good. Now, has anybody seen my sister? Anybody seen her? No? Let me remind you what she's like. She's about this tall. She's got long blonde hair. She does that weird magical icy thing with her fingers. You know the one, right? Yeah? Oh, let me think. Oh, I've got a great idea. I used to do this little thing when we were little. I used to sing to her at her door. Do you know the song, everybody? You do? Well, what's it called? Do you want to build a snowman? I think we should all sing, right? Okay, let's see if it works. Elsa, do you want to build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play. I never see you anymore. Come out the doors like you've gone away. We used to be best buddies, but now we're not. I wish you would tell me why. Do you want to build a snowman? It doesn't have to be a snowman.
Go away, Anna.
Okay, bye. Do you want to build a snowman or ride a bike around the halls? I think some company is overdue. I started talking to the pictures on the walls. Hang in there, John. It gets a little lonely in these empty rooms, just watching the hours tick by. Elsa? Please say have courage, and I'm trying to. I'm right out here for you. Please let me in. We only have each other. It's just you and me. What are we gonna do? Do you want to build a snow?